Hello everyone, in this class we are going to learn how we can take the configuration backup and how we can restore the configuration backup. So if you see here, I am using one router and this is IP we are going to have to this interface fast Ethernet 0x0, and this one I am using as a tftp server. So I can write here tftp server. So this is a tftp server. tftp server is having the IP address 192.168.1.2, and if you go, this is the tftp server IP subnet mask, and this is the IP address default gateway. If you go to the services, you can go here the tftp server. I will delete everything, we don't have any file here. Now what I will do, I will go to this router. In this one we have some basic configuration. If you want to check, you can see here name is R1. Okay, here name is R1. If you want to do any configuration, you can do, like you can create one loopback, and here I can assign the IP address to the loopback 8.8.8.8.255.0.0.0, and I will save this configuration. So this is the some basic configuration we have. Just remember, you have the loopback 0 and the host name in this configuration. Now we need to take the backup. So if you want to take the backup running configuration, we write copy running to tftp and press enter, and you need to keep here the IP address of the tftp server. So this is our tftp server 192.168.1.2. so now here I can put that one. So I will write here 192.168.1.2 and press enter. Here name, what name you want to give, because this backup will take and it will store here, and what name you want to give that file, you can keep here any name. I am writing A. If you see, the backup is done successfully, and you can go here where it is server and go to tftp, and you can see this is the backup is ready here. If you want to restore, you can restore also. Example, I imagine this router is broken, you have another router, new router. In this router, if you see what you have configuration here, you don't have any configuration. If you want, we can write show run and we can check. In this router, this is a brand new router. If you see here, what you have here, only you have IP address. Okay, only you have IP address and you don't have anything. You don't have loopback also. So you want to restore. You want to restore the configuration what you taken for this router in the tftp server. You want to restore this router backup we taken, and it is present in the tftp server. This is the backup, and imagine this router is broken. So you install the new router and you need to restore the configuration. So how you can restore? You can restore by using the tftp server. So here same configuration, like we copy, similar way we will restore. So you will write here, let me write here. Okay, you will write here, what you will write, copy from tftp. You want to copy from the tftp running configuration. Okay, now they are asking give the server IP. So this is the server IP. You need to write here 192.168.1.2 and press enter, and he is asking what is the file name. Here what is the file name you have? If you remember, this is a file name A. So you need to give the file name A. After that, press enter. So they will take some time and they are going to restore that one. So if you see, they restore here, and if you see here, the name is changed. Before, what name you have? Before you have the router. Now when we restore the backup, when we take the backup and we store in this one, what name change? We have the new name, that is R1. And here if you check, before we don't have the loopback, now you will have the loopback 0 also. If you see, we have the loopback 0. When we restore the backup from the tftp server to the R2 router 2, we have the loopback, and also host name change as a R1. Okay, so this way we can do. Here if you see, whatever configuration we have, same configuration we load here with the help of tftp. So this is a simple way. Just you can take the backup, you can restore the backup in the simple manner. In the real scenario also you will do, you will use the application. Like here I am using tftp server in the packet tracer. In real scenario you can download, there is a lot of application. You can use 3C Devon application also. This is freely available, or you can take the many application available in the internet, tftp, ftp. You can use any application and you can do this lab. So what we learn in this lab, we learn how we can take the backup and how we restore the backup. That's all with the help of tftp. Okay, thank you.